Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about MCQ related to stereochemistry of a ring system, configuration and conformation. So, let's start the video. First, whenever two adjacent carbon atoms are common between two rings, then such a ring system is called A. Bridged ring system, B. Bicyclo ring system, C. Coupled ring system, and D. Fused ring system. So here two adjacent carbon atoms are common between two rings. Then the system is called as fused ring system. So option D is correct. Second, give the IUPAC name of following. This is decaline option A, but IUPAC name is given here. Option A, bicyclo 440 decane, B bicyclo 441 decane, C bicyclo 442 decane, and D bicyclo 443 decane. So here two rings are present, so bicyclo having this is example of fused ring system. So 440 is correct and 10 carbon is present there, so decane. Option A is correct, which is bicyclo 440 decane. 3. Select the correct product of following reaction. Here reaction is given, which is Diels Alder, Wolf Kirchner and H2PT. So we will see the mechanism. Firstly, CH2CO is added into pentadiene. Then Wolf Kirchner reduction is here, and oxygen removal of oxygen takes place, and adding H2PT removal of double bond takes place. So option C is correct. Cis-decalin is A. Optically inactive, B. Optically active, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. So let's see the structure of cis-decalin. This is structure of cis-decalin. Uh, Cis-decalin is dissymmetric, so it is optically active. Hence, option B is correct, which is optically active. 5. Stereochemical description in bridge ring system can be explaining by A. Bridge rule, B. Alder rule, C. Axial halo rule, axial halo ketone, and D. Gauch-Butane interaction. So stereochemical description in bridge ring system can be explained by bridge rule. So option A is correct, which is bridge rule. 6. In Alder rule, endo product is measured because of endo addition which involve maximum A. Pi star orbital overlap, B. Pi orbital overlap, C. Sigma orbital overlap, and D. Sigma star orbital overlap. So you know that in Alder reaction endo product is major and exo product is minor, but endo product is major because of endo addition involve maximum pi orbital overlap. So option B is correct. 7. Select the correct product. Here a reactant is given which having C double bond O, and Wolff-Kishner reduction is here. So we know that Wolff-Kishner reduction, oxygen removal of oxygen takes place. So option A is correct. Here the mechanism is given. So option A correct. 8. The space around a carbonyl group is divided by mutually 3 plane into 8 part called A. Alder rule, B. Bridge rule, C. Octant, and D. Haloaxial ketone. So the space around carbonyl group is divided by mutually 3 planes into 8 parts are called as octant. Option C is correct. 9. Choose the correct smallest fused ring system from following. 4 options are given. First having cyclobutane, second having cyclohexane, third having cyclopentane, and fourth having cyclooctane. So first is correct, which having cyclobutane ring, which is smallest one. 10. IUPAC name of following. One molecule is given here. So option A 1 aza bicyclo 222 octane, B 1 nitro bicyclo 222 octane, C bicyclo 222 octane, and D bicyclo 220 octane. Firstly, this molecule is example of bridge ring system, and N here tertiary nitrogen is present, so 1 aza, two rings are present, so this is bicyclo, having 2 carbon at bridge, so 2 2 2 and 8 carbon are present here, so octane. Option A is correct, having 1 aza bicyclo 222 octane is IUPAC name of this molecule. So option 1 is correct, 1 aza bicyclo 222 octane. If you have any doubt about this, then mention it in comment box. Thank you for watching this video.